Hello, this is Suzina. Today I would like to show you how you can combine the same thread colors in your design into one, so you don't have to do as many thread changes. So you go from this to this. For this demonstration, I'm going to use a gorgeous floral alphabet from Embird Design. You can find it on Etsy. So we're going to select our letters, highlight all, rotate, highlight, Control D for duplicate, and we have our letter ready. So at this point, we would have to change thread about 36 times. So we're going to simplify it this way. Highlight your word, join. Now right click, separate all colors. The entire word is now separated into colors. Now we're going to combine the same colors. Hold Control and highlight all green parts of the design. Join. All green leaves are going to embroider first. Our next thread is hot pink for tiny roses. Next one is lighter pink, part of roses. Once you get the hang of it, it goes pretty quickly. You just hold Control button and highlight the same thread color. Turquoise. I forgot a yellow one. I'm going to highlight and join. There we go. This is white for our daisies. Now we have to do only 7 thread changes instead of 36. That's much better. Let's watch how beautiful this is going to stitch. Absolutely gorgeous. You want to highlight your design, join, and then just save it anywhere you need. I hope this is going to be helpful. Thank you for watching.